Hey guys, Chris here at South Florida Boat Center. We're back with another update on the Essentials, our 261 Mako. As you can see, all the paint work's done. All we're doing now is sanding and buffing, get out any of the little orange peel and imperfections. After that, it's wide open throttle rigging. Wells are in, wells are painted. The lids are being made for the wells. We're gonna do some nice 3/4 inch acrylic lids on the wells. The aluminum and tower work is almost complete. It'll be done by the end of the week. So once we get that laid out in here, we'll be able to start our rigging process. We already have our rigging tubes in here. We have a lot of our plumbing work already done as far as drains, live well drains, even our raw water and freshwater washdown hoses kind of ran through before we put some of the deck pieces back in. We took care of that. Our engine bracket painted up, ready to go on. So we also got all of our Lumitech lighting arrived. We're doing a full boat Lumitech system throughout the entire boat. We're gonna use their new Mako system. It allows all of the lights to work together in unison. That way they all color change at the same time. We used to have to go through a lot of work to make all the LEDs synchronize, and now with the new Mako system, it's all plug and play, it's all digital. They all work together. We're gonna try and do some really nice features here with the Lumitech lighting where we try to hide the fixtures themselves. So many small fixtures that you really can hardly see, but the amount of lumens they produce, it's really an exceptional product. And using a company that makes a lighting system that is from bow to stern. Some companies make underwater lights, some companies make under gunnel lights, but Lumitech makes the whole package. So it really works good for the Mako system where we can use them in the entire boat all throughout, from bow to stern, and have a nice finished look where everything works good together. It's NEMA 2000. It can plug it right into our new Simrad screens. All of our Simrads are here as well, so we're ready to get that system started laid out, the transducers installed before we put the console in and start rigging our console for final fitment. We're sanding our hull sides right after our paint job, and we do that to get the optimum finish on the boat. We start with an 800 grit, then 1,000, 1,200, 1,500, and a final 2,000, and then we buff it all. And you can see here in the middle stages, we're at the 1,000 right now. You can still see some of the areas that the sandpaper doesn't touch in here, and we're gonna take the material down until we have a uniform flat surface like we have right here, and then that's ready for our buffing. And what that's getting rid of is, if you look, even though it's a nice high gloss paint job, this is adequate for a lot of people, but we want to kind of go, full on as high quality as we can, which we do for most of our paint jobs. And that little orange peel texture that's in there, that's what this sanding process gets rid of. When we come back and take some pictures here shortly, when we're done with this hull side, you'll see that perfectly flat mirror finish with no orange peel in it whatsoever, and really give it that nice final look. So coming down to the finish line here, bodywork, sanding, the dusty stuff, the messy stuff, it's done. Really, the next couple videos is where it's really going to get exciting, where you guys can kind of see how we fit and finish certain electrical components, the electronics, why we do things a certain way, using relays, different power supplies here and there. And it's really cool for you guys at home, might want to do your own project or have us do it, and you can see some of the techniques of why we do it and the purpose of it.